I'm going to teach you the stamping and clapping dance. So let's imagine a big pool of water around us and we've all got our wellies on. We're going to come forward splashing. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to clap in the air. 1, 2. And as low as you can go. 1, 2. Back up. 1, 2. And down. 1, 2. And then we're going to go backwards. No claps, just stamps. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to clap to the side. 1, 2. To the other side. 1, 2. And again. 1, 2. 1, 2. Then we're going to stamp in front, behind. Pick it up and do one big splash. And then again in front, behind. Pick it up, one big splash. And then on the spot, how fast can you do them? In 3, 2, 1, big jump.